Hey guys, this is Michael with Mealy Marine. In today's video, we're going to be working on this beautiful, beautiful Phoenix. We're going to be installing a bunch of Powerhouse lithium batteries. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so like I said, we got this Phoenix. I think this is a 921 Elite. I don't know, he took all the stickers off. But really cool boat, really pretty. Obviously likes the green. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a bunch of Powerhouse lithium stuff, which is going to be really cool. So first things first, we're going to take out all these batteries. He also has a charger. We got a lot going on. So I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm going to set the camera up. I'm going to take this lid off first and go from there. All right, so Hugh's back from getting us some, it's not even there, some Little Caesars pizza. It was delicious. That is a go-to here at Mealy Marine. Because why is it? Why do we go there?
$5 hot and ready pizza.
$5 hot and ready pizza. That's what we're all about. I got the batteries out, got the battery trays out. Hugh just got done taking out the old charger. And now we're gonna clean this up. A lot of fiberglass dust back there and stuff. We're gonna get that cleaned up. I'm gonna show you guys what we're going to be installing with the Powerhouse stuff. So let's go over there and check that out. Alrighty, so we're gonna be installing some Powerhouse batteries. We got two 3640 amp hour batteries and two 1660 amp hour batteries. I think Powerhouse recommends, like if you're gonna be fishing a lot, to go with 240s to get 80 amp hours, and that'll be more than enough, especially with a DC to DC charger. You shouldn't have any issues. Now Hugh's super serious and fishes a lot, and he's super good. And so he went with 260s to get 120. So that's what you can think about. So the customer opted for 240s. We're gonna put a DC to DC charger. We got the 1660s, which I'm not too sure about the reasoning behind this. They make a 100, maybe space, I don't know. So we got that. We got Powerhouse's new 3-bank charger. They got a 12 volt, a 36 volt, and a 16 volt setting, so he can charge all three of his batteries. So he has a 12 volt cranking in there. And then we got aluminum battery trays. So yeah, we went ahead, when we're doing things like this, we like to just kind of map it out. So me and Hugh don't spend all day figuring out what we're gonna do. We're just gonna draw it out. So we're gonna start. I don't know if you guys saw, the charger is like back up here on this wall. So we're obviously gonna install the charger first. But before we do that, we should probably make sure it works. Just plug it into some batteries and make sure it charges. And we're gonna put it in there. Then we're just gonna work our way from left to right, port to starboard, do the 36s, 16s, and then hook the charger up to the 12 and the DC to DCs. So let's do it. Alrighty guys, so new day. We just finished up the install on these Powerhouse lithiums on this Phoenix boat. We got two 3640s, we got the 1660s, we got the DC to DCs put there. We moved the trolling motor switch over. We got the Perco switch. That one position turns it on the 16 volt batteries, the other position turns it on the 12 volts. So if something were to happen, he could run it off his cranking battery. And then we got the 3 circuit breakers. The first circuit breaker is for his graphs. Second one is for the 16 DC charger. And the third is the 36 DC charger. We have a common ground running to the bottom. So yeah, we got everything hooked up. The customer, I guess, wired his own boat or did something, so only one graph is running off the 16 volt and the live scopes, but he doesn't want us to move the other graphs. So that's it for this week's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And real quick, Grumpy, can you give a weather update? Weather update.
Weather update? It is warm.
No, hold on, no. Can you give the weather update, please?
Yes, it's warm, but it's nice. So we're not burning up or freezing, which seems to be a current occurrence here right now, but it is warm and nice.
What would you say the humidity is?
High, very high.
What would you say the temperature is in numbers?
I would say probably around about 75.
Can we get a 10-day?
Thank you, sir. Yeah, 10-day forecast.
Hugh, I've got a 10-day forecast for you, okay, and you're not going to particularly care for it.
Well, that's it for this weather update. Bye.